This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. You are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Chess Galaxy 0. Put kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani Photo Ngobo?
Siyaphila man. Uzwa kanjani game namhlanje?
Photo Ngobo, before ngikhuluma ngegame namhlanje, a wise man once said, in the olden days when Jesus Christ went on to his lesson,
Amen.
He was never specific in his references. He would always use symbols, because whenever a symbol is used in a process where something has to be rectified, none of us can consume. If I were to refer to Mnyama, I will put it like that because I am. But if I were not, I'll put it in a way that has respect in what I'm referring to.
Danke Steve Kompe.
Intenga njoba ngisho kanje ukuthi mani lami iPirates izoyithatha league. Izoyithatha league.
Asiqale la. So besiyibona iPirates.
Okay.
Uyibone kanjani igame namhlanje?
Coming to igame namhlanje, if iKaizer Chiefs khona manje nami beyiqale kanje season angabi kude khona manje. Hayi ngibashayela izandla abadlalile namhlanje igame namhlanje vele ayibemnandi. Thina vele besizosupporta vele iChess Galaxy kodwa khamba ngakahle yabo. Kodwa just to highlight nje enye into khona manje nami ngihappy ngoNdlovu, ngihappy nangoMabuya futhi abe combination yakho hayi igood no uthena ubani umthetho makangena na waphinda wastabilize lapha. So I think if iKaizer Chiefs engaqhubeka kanje bangawulela number 2 ibona neSundowns ngoba mina vele ngiyalapha ku number 1.
Nazo asibuyele kuwena ke uthi indaba uthi ucabanga ukuthi uzothatha ileague this season.
Kodwa nami ireason engithi why iPirates izothatha ileague yabo idraw le esiwelele nedraw le eRichards Bay. Abantu abaningi sababona ngathi iPirates vele seyilahlile league. Lama draw lawo kahlahle besibadida nje kancane khona ubheke come nge23 May.
Ishuthi zobe inenza phambi league. So bathi ufake kabuyelo la.
Hayi ungayimind lento ungayimind khona manje. Kodwa nje khuluma nje mina ileague ngizoyithatha khona. Ubheke yabo labantu laba abazobe baphethe iTrophy bazobe bangazi ukuthi bayile
helicopter.
I-helicopter izobe ingazi ukuthi ngapha kuye ngapha. Into engibhokayo ukuthi i-last game yethu izobe ilena sodlala nenani obikhoja arena. If bese arena bakuzoba mnandi but
i-right angithi i-stadium lesesikhulu kakhulu rally bafike at least maybe bazonisakusona.
Yeah, kodwa into engisho njengoba ngisho khona manje bazobe bangazi ukuthi i-trophy engaphi kuye kuphi. Kodwa mina into engayisho abafethu khuluma nje ngeteam yami nje kancane nje abafethu nje I think Rodman badinga umuntu nje ozozama badinga like psychologist or something ngoba ngiyabona abafethu ba under pressure manje. Isanta angeke ngithi Sundowns under pressure, ithi make under pressure my Pirates ngoba ngibonile njengoba nale draw ithi meqeda ukudlala i-Richards Bay ngibonile abafethu baba phansi amajita kahlahle saba izinto shangazi Rodman ngayibeka kanjani kodwa amajita nje mangaliba nje aqhubeka ale baphusha take it one game at a time bazofika la bafuna ukufika.
Perfect. Sabahulu.
Sasabonga.